Welcome to Mai Kenzie.
So, muna siya ang suit sa box. It's a email. Email from YouTube. It says, "Hi Mai Kenzie, your channel Mai Kenzie has passed the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Requirement of the YouTube Partner Program. Congratulations! Your YouTube channel, Mai Kenzie, has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube." So this is, guys, the email from YouTube. So I am monetized. That was May 20, 2021. So I received the email May 2021 and so happy and grateful for this opportunity na naabot na mo ang first is naabot na mo ang 1,000 subscriber. Next is the 4,000 watch hours, which is very lisod kayo abton, but very fortunate lang sad ko because of people who supported me until ma-reach na ko ang 4,000. I would say thank you so much. Walay duha-duha nga nag-support na ko until ma-reach na ko ang 4,000 watch hours. So thank you kaayo ninyo from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. So the final gift is here. Pag dawat ako aning gift, pwede na akong katawaa. But I don't know, makatawa ba mo ano, no? So this is it, guys. Ang pinakahihintay nyo na regalo. Alright. Are you ready? Nakarap pa. So you're gonna unpack this first. So you're gonna unpack it. Unpack. Dapat ay bubble pop. Ato may bago ang bubble pop para kita ganin niyo unsay sulod. Uy! May suwat man din ni. Wow! This is surprising. Nag-issue letter from the CEO sa siya? Wala po sa senaryo. Pero, na-shock ko na ay letter from CEO of YouTube. Aside sa email, it says in here, YouTube. This. Dear Mai Kenzie, you've just done something very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 1,000 subscribers and 70,000 views to your channel. 70,000 views? 20,000 views na ganito to. So, tantadan! Na may idea unsa ning ang gift, no? So, the gift! Tantadan! Wait. I need to clean it up. Right. 1, 2, 3. Woo! I have a YouTube bonus! Oh. Presented to Mai Kenzie. Congratulations! So guys, here na the real bida ng aking channel. Mai Kenzie, you've got a YouTube
channel.
button. Alright, see? Thank you for subscribing again.
Bye.
No, thank you for supporting us and thank you for loving our channel. And don't forget to like,
And subscribe.
subscribe, and ring the bell
And
para update kayo sa aming next video. So thank you so much for your time and keep on watching our channel. We love you guys. Thank you so much. So again guys, thank you so much for your love and support sa among channel. Thank you for your help and thank you for helping us to unlock the second level of success sa among channel. And thank you to the following person, guys, from the bottom of my heart. Again, thank you so much and God bless everyone and spread love always. Thank you for this plate of 1,000 subscriber YouTube buttons. Thank you so much for this. Maybe the next one I will receive is the real one. Ay, sana all. Thank you so much.